Samujal Bhattacharya is advisor of the All Assam Students Union. He's joining us from Guwahati. From Srinagar, Tanveer Sadiq, National Conference spokesperson. Because Omar Abdullah says Modi is responsible for this. Executive editor of Dopair Ka Samna, representing the Shiv Sena voice in the studio, Prem Shukla. Priyanka Chaturvedi represents the Congress perspective. She's on the top right of your screen out there. Asaduddin Owaisi, president of the All India Majlis-e-Ittihad al-Muslimin, AIMIM, joining us from Hyderabad. Kiran Rijiju, leader of the BJP, former member of parliament, and Sudhanshu Trivedi, national spokesperson of the BJP and political advisor to Rajnath Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My first question goes to Guwahati. Is this about national politics? And Samujal Bhattacharya, from where you are, do you believe the national parties are simply taking advantage of the situation in Assam for political sniping at the national level?
Yes, exactly. The national political parties, the political parties of the country, they are playing with the bloods of the people of Assam. They are trying to politicalize this issue. They are trying to take advantage out of this situation. Clearly, they are using the bloods of Assam for their political benefit. They should stop it. It is not the ground reality. And the ground reality is very clear. The Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi has failed repeatedly to prevent communal violence in Assam in last 12 years. The Assam Chief Minister had the information about this incident, but he had failed to act upon it.
How do you know he had the information?
As the Home Minister of the state, he had the information. And during the election time in that area, it's a very sensitive zone. The Election Commission and the Government of India, Government of Assam, they had deployed more forces in that area. But just after the election, they had withdrawn the whole forces. They should not have done this. But the Home Minister of the state, the Chief Minister of the state, Mr. Tarun Gogoi, had the information. They had the intelligence input. But having that in intelligence input, they had failed to act upon it.
Priyanka Chaturvedi, how cowardly is it?
The Congress government had failed.
Priyanka Chaturvedi, how cowardly is it that your state government does not take responsibility? You use this issue to take pot shots at Narendra Modi. 1 second. Who is responsible for the law and order in Assam? Did the state government know? And most importantly, Priyanka Chaturvedi, your own ally, the Bodoland People's Front, your own ally in Assam, the Bodoland People's Front, stand accused of triggering the flare-up in this case. You understand how serious that is?
Now, can I answer? Absolutely, I understand the entire issue and I understand it is very serious. Now, having said that, please understand that this region has been going through a lot of ethnic strife, and we admit that there have been violences, there have been cases of violence. Now, when he says that they had intelligence, I do not know, he seems to know more than everybody else seems to know about this particular violence. Now, I would just like to mention something here. Now, when you accuse us of having alliance with somebody, are you aware, have you brought this to everyone's notice, that NDFB, BJP candidate from Tezpur was in constant touch with NDFB people,
Sudhanshu
the
Trivedi,
rebel Bodo people.
What are you suggesting?
Rebel
the
group
BJP?
of Bodos. 1 second, please let me explain. And he has gone on channel, on television, where he admits that he has been funding NDFB to get support for his candidature and to win. So are you trying, we need to understand, it's not about politicizing, but this particular violence that erupted
the charge
is
you
a
make is
result
serious.
of the
It must be
political
answered.
games that they've been playing in Assam.
Rajiju, the charge is serious. You have used this charge not to answer the question, and let me remind you, Priyanka Chaturvedi, that an MLA of your ally party, the BPF, her name is Pramila Rani Brahma, has said 2 days back, before the riots, that Muslims in the area had voted for a former Ulfa commander who was contesting as an independent, and as a result the BPF may lose. In other words, the first reference to religion provoking this kind of an attack was made by your Congress party ally. You have not answered that, but
if we are talking about provoking, please do understand, when a Mr. Narendra Modi, who is a prime ministerial candidate, goes to Tezpur, he compares rhinos and to Muslims and Hindus to Muslims to Bangladeshis and rhinos to
Arnab, this is very unfortunate.
I think you are not aware.
Everybody with the same brush, calling them Bangladeshis.
Priyanka Chaturvedi.
1 second,
Priyanka Chaturvedi, you are not aware of the ground reality here, I'm afraid.
For years.
You are not aware of the ground reality.
I am quite aware, Mr. Goswami.
You are absolutely not aware.
I'm absolutely aware.
You are completely not aware.
Of what I'm talking.
Miss
I'm
Chaturvedi, you are
absolutely
not aware.
And you need to. I'm sorry, Mr. Goswami. You need to also question. You also need to question BJP's role in this entire thing. For them, victory is more important. Seems to be more important
come here,
than
Arnab.
You see, I have one question. 1 second. I find it a little strange. I must say, I just want to come in 1 second. I find it a little strange that the Congress spokesperson on the program tonight says she will not ask a single question to the Congress party's ally who has tried to divide the electorate on Hindu-Muslim lines. Is that secularism? Miss Priyanka Chaturvedi?
No, I'm sorry,
Secularism is what which
Mr.
provokes
Goswami,
violence.
I did not say any such thing. I did not say any such thing.
Kiran Rijiju responding. She's made a counter charge that the BJP quietly is provoking violence.
Asked for a probe, but we also need to. We also need to take into account what they've been
Kiran Rijiju
games with NDFB for victory.
Can I come in? It is very unfortunate.
Sure.
It is very unfortunate the Congress spokesperson, instead of taking their responsibility, the state government is run by the Congress party, the central government is run by the Congress party. Instead of taking moral responsibility, administrative responsibility, they are talking of Narendra Modi and BJP responsible for all this kind of tragedies. It is most unfortunate. I would like to condemn this kind of attitude from the politicians. This is not the time. This is not the time to blame.
Please do understand.
This is very unfortunate.
We need to get together and go beyond politics. It's how I started it. You cannot put words in my mouth. But if we are questioning, the state government, we also need to understand that that particular place is a tinder bomb.
Miss Chaturvedi, this is a nice.
The Congress should resign. If Congress cannot contain the situation,
what should they resign for? They have been striving to bring peace into that region.
State of Assam as well as the center.
I'm sorry.
Very unfortunate.
When we talk about moral authority, we have worked hard to ensure that there's peace in that land. But we also need to understand the
Miss
history
Chaturvedi.
of Assam.
What kind of peace are you talking about, Miss Chaturvedi?
This incident is not the first time.
What kind of
this
peace?
This incident is not the first time.
What kind of peace are you talking about? Are you aware?
Come in, please.
One second. What kind of peace is Miss Chaturvedi talking about? Are you aware that 2 senior leaders of the Bodoland People's Front had been arrested in 2012 for their suspected role in the violence that engulfed Kokrajhar? That another of the leaders talks about dividing the electorate on Hindu-Muslim lines? Did you take action against them?
Why are you concentrating on only one? No, why are you concentrating on only one candidate, Mr. Goswami? I'm asking you a question.
Because
involved in the 2000. No, I'm
Why don't you answer the question about this particular person? Why don't you answer the question about this particular person?
No, your question.
Why don't you break your alliance?
Particular candidate.
Why don't you break your alliance with Why don't you break your alliance with a party that talks the communal language?
No, why have they been meeting? Why have they been meeting with rebel Bodo groups?
Why have you
questioning everybody?
What have you?
I agree.
Is it therefore appropriate in your view, Ms. Chaturvedi? Is it appropriate in your view for your party ally to go ahead and say whatever they want?
Arnab, let me come in here.
Provoking the violence?
No, it is absolutely not appropriate.
Then what action have you taken against them?
It is not appropriate if someone has said something like
someone
this.
Has said something, your ally has said something. Who's someone?
No, I'm
Who's
very
someone?
clear.
Which someone? It's a party.
No,
it's a party. It's a party. Sudhanshu Trivedi, the question goes to you.
If people are using, if you're playing this kind of politics, but we also need to understand a prime ministerial candidate of the opposition party comes and talks,
let Sudhanshu Trivedi answer that.
And talks on communal lines. That is a question that needs to be asked as well.
Okay, Sudhanshu Trivedi is responding to it. Narendra Modi addressed rallies in Assam in the 3 following places in Borpeta, Mangaldoy and Nagaon. As far as I am aware,
And please ask him about the Tezpur candidate who went on camera and admitted that he had paid money to NDFB for their support.
Let Sudhanshu Trivedi answer that. Sudhanshu Trivedi, is the
Forget
BJP
about
silently provoking the violence?
What an MLA is saying, what an MP is saying, and what a candidate is saying. I am quoting you an incident on the 24th April polling. There was an incident of firing in which the one policeman was killed and so many people got injured. Why it happened? Because some sort of mischievous SMSs were going on, which has created an irritation in the Muslim community. There was a clear-cut, visible incidence of violence. What Tarun Gogoi Sarkar has done in the last 10 days, they have done nothing. Now they are trying to blame BJP when the problem is having the date back to 1983 when they brought the IMDT Act. And now they are blaming the Modi wave for this. It is just like a phrase in ancient Sanskrit scripture which is called
Mr.
Kak
Trivedi,
Talina.
you
It
seem
means
to have not
if
got the
a
question. The
branch of a
question
tree
is about your
has
Tezpur
become
candidate
so
going on camera
rotten from
admitting
inside
that he has
that it
been
is bound
funding
to fall
NDSB
as soon
to
as the
win
bird
that
sits on
particular
it,
seat.
and as soon
Why
as it
have
falls,
they, no, why
then
have
put the
they been,
entire
why
blame
have
on
they
that
been
bird.
in talks with
That by the
NDSB?
weight of that
A
bird, the
militant
entire
group.
branch
Why
has
are they
fallen.
in talks?
This
Why
is the
is
strategy of the
BJP in
Congress
talks
party
with
who are
militant
responsible
groups?
for all
Why
sorts of
The
aren't you
argument
answering
being
that?
put out
Why
here.
aren't you
No, one
answering
second.
that?
They have done nothing.
The
I
argument
would
being
like to
put
quote
out.
one more thing. Congress is in power since 10 years, more
Mr.
than 10
Trivedi,
years
you
in Assam.
refuse to answer the question about your Tezpur candidate going on camera admitting he is giving funds
Instead
to
of
NDSB, a
candidate,
militant Bodo
I am
group.
I am giving you the example of the incident.
Why
What
aren't
the
you
government
talking
has
about
taken
that?
step in 24th of April. And moreover, when the Supreme Court has quashed the IMDT Act in 2005, they have said it amounts to external aggression over India. What your government has done in the last 9 years? Nothing. Because you are so much mesmerized with the vote bank politics that you are compromising even on the national security. This is the root cause of the problem.
What is
Joining
your
into the
name,
debate
Mr.
tonight,
Trivedi?
one second, Priyanka Chaturvedi, I'd like to get Tanveer
Is that
Sadiq and
you?
Asaduddin
You
Owaisi at this
and
stage.
your Prime Minister is candidate.
You know
for
something, it is
Bengali
so
Muslim
sad.
Muslim
It is so sad.
Bangladeshi
No, one
immigrants.
second.
It's a shame
Whether
that
it
you
is
refuse
Hyderabad,
to acknowledge
whether it is
East Bengali
UP,
Muslims.
whether it is Mumbai.
It's a shame. It's a shame
Priyanka, 1 minute. Priyanka,
that
just a
you
minute.
keep terming everybody as Bangladeshi immigrants. That is a
Priyanka,
bigger shame.
Priyanka, it is all right to ask Narendra Modi the questions about what he has said on
No, it's
Bangladeshis
not
illegal
just about
infiltrants,
Narendra
but
Modi, it's about their candidates. No, it's
but
about the
Miss
candidates
Chaturvedi,
choosing
you are
NDSB.
going on like a broken record.
Why aren't we going on asking
Miss
that?
Chaturvedi, please remember one thing. Rhetoric cannot substitute fact. Aggression,
It is not
aggression
rhetoric, it is
cannot
a fact.
substitute
It
truth.
is a fact. Isn't it a fact?
Aggression
Isn't it a
cannot
fact that we have been in
substitute
talks with
truth.
NDSB?
And similarly, repeating one thing ad nauseum.
Mr. Goswami,
Miss Chaturvedi, repeating one thing ad nauseum does not allow you to deflect a debate on the news.
So many people got killed. What action Tarun Gogoi government has taken?
An inquiry
Miss
is not done.
Chaturvedi, I am
We have
afraid,
been categorically
you are
saying-
absolutely,
we have
I'm
been
sorry to say
categorically
this.
saying that
Miss Chaturvedi,
no,
Miss
I'm
Chaturvedi,
sorry.
you have been tutored into repeating one point repeatedly on the news. Miss Chaturvedi,
No, I'm not making any repeated
Miss
points.
Chaturvedi,
I'm not
now
making
please
any
listen.
repeated points.
Please listen, Miss Chaturvedi.
No, no,
please
I will
listen. You
listen
have
to
to.
you
I have to
first.
go to the other panelists. You can't dominate the debate. Please listen,
No,
Miss
you do go
Chaturvedi.
to them. But
Please
you have to
listen, Miss
listen to what I
Chaturvedi.
have
This
to
is
say.
don't try and obfuscate the news by repeating one point ad nauseum. I have heard you. You made your point there. I can similarly ask you today,
No, I have
go
another
and
point
check
to
the
make as
Miss
well. You
Chaturvedi, I
don't
don't
be
think there's
getting that
anything
point.
for you.
That's why I repeatedly
Miss
make that
Chaturvedi,
point.
I'll just tell you one thing now. I don't want to keep repeating it, and I don't think this is a good strategy. If this is a strategy you want to adopt, then it is, by the way, Miss Chaturvedi, a very transparent strategy. A strategy which appears that you have come into the news hour having made your mind that you will keep talking. A, you will not listen to any question. B, you will not answer any question. C, and if you're asked a question on which you are on the back foot, then you will keep repeating the same point ad nauseum. D. Right?
No,
That's not
absolutely
good.
not.
Now, the fact of the
Absolutely
matter is
not.
that on
If you
April
seem to have a
20th,
transparent
on
strategy, you
April
need to understand
20th, Miss
every
Chaturvedi,
panelist who comes on your
on
debate that
April
is so effective.
20th, the Kokrajhar District Administration promulgated 144 CRPC along the Indo-Bhutan border from 6 a.m. of April 23rd to 6 a.m. of April 24th. Go and find out a press release issued by the Kokrajhar Deputy Commissioner. You call him right now. His name is Nitin Khade. They said there's a likelihood of the movement of militants on the Indian side of the border during the election period. When you ask questions here about intelligence failure, the simple question is being asked, why did your government not act immediately? And therefore my question to Tanveer Sadiq and to Asaduddin Owaisi is this. Fine. Can you blame Modi for what has happened in Assam? Is Modi responsible for what has happened in Assam,
Okay,
Tanveer Sadiq? Or are you using it for whatever political
Mr.
advantage you
Goswami,
can in
first of all,
JNK?
all right. First of all, my heart goes out to all the 33 families. I mean, I'm amazed that BJP guy is more concerned about Modi wave than, at least sending his heartfelt condolences to the family. Now, let's get to the fact. If two individuals fight, that's not a problem. But when two communities fight, it's a serious problem, because communities don't one fine morning feel that, they have nothing else to do than to fight. There's a concerted effort to instigate the community, and it has to have a mind that does not work to think that Modi.
Who instigated in August 2012?
Because what he said
Who instigated in August 2012?
On the contrary, the fact is that instead of paying condolences for that, for
No,
those
let
people
me
who have
complete,
died.
let me
Instead of
complete,
paying
because I know
condolences,
it
you
will-
are blaming the Modi wave.
Okay, let me
Who has
complete first and then you
initiated
can
this
say
process?
what you
It
want
is not
to
the
speak.
BJP.
I know the
It is
BJP
your
guys
leader who has
don't
initiated the
like
process,
that.
sitting in the Kashmir.
Okay, let's come to the fact. Let's come to the facts now. Now this man goes on and says in a rally, says that he's going to pack all. You know, he paints all the Muslims with the illegal immigrant brush, and says that when he comes to power, he will pack them off. In the same breath, he says,
I'm sorry.
okay, you know what? When I come to
Modi
power,
did not
all those
state
people
anything
from
about
one
Muslim.
community, if they come
Narendra Modi
to,
talked
if there is a
about
safe
illegal
place, there is
migrants.
He has
a
not
Nothing to
talked
do with
about
the-
one community.
if-
He
if-
has
if-
said
if-
all
if-
these
if-
Bangladeshi infiltrators.
if a prime
And it is
ministerial
strictly as
candidate
per the judgment of
who is
Supreme
trying
Court.
to be who is trying to be the savior of India suddenly speaks this language, I feel I'm
The
very
most
sorry about
unfortunate
how the
statement
future
came
of
was
this
from
country
Omar
will be.
Abdullah.
Number one,
He
I mean,
wanted
I see
to
no reason. Somebody
save
has
his
said
chair
that
by
Modi
making
denotes
Modi as an issue
model
in
of
Kashmir.
divided India. I think that's the real name somebody has put him. So I believe, it was a concerted effort wherever they went.
Mr. Kapil
whether they
Sibal
went
must
to
be
Kishtwar, whether they went
ashamed.
to
He should be
Muzaffarnagar, it's a
he should be
concerted
ashamed
effort.
of making
No, he
Narendra
should
Modi
be,
as an
be ashamed
issue
because
when the
BJP
innocent people are
politics is
being
based
killed.
on dividing India. I mean, you guys, Subramaniam Swamy, your so-called tall leader, has been on record saying that he will divide Muslims and unite Hindus. What kind of politics are you playing here? I mean, this man goes 3 days before, and then after 3 days you have a...
I want to
it can't be a
ask
coincidence.
this so-called
It is a
secular
community
parties
was
what kind of
instigated for
politics you are
this.
playing.
We are playing politics. We are playing secular politics.
It is very
We believe in
unfortunate.
the preamble
It
of
is
the Indian
Arnab, it is very
Constitution,
unfortunate
which
to
says Indian
see
nation, which doesn't
that
say
they
Hindutva,
Sir, you
or
don't
doesn't say
even-
anything else.
even from
But
Kashmir,
you people, in
from
spite
the
of
other
you,
states
trying
who
to
are
lead
least
this country
bothered about the
against
northeastern
the-
region.
Ms.
are
Tanvir
making
Sadiq,
political
Ms.
statement
Tanvir
here.
Sadiq, Mr. Tanvir Sadiq, please just a minute. I know today that you run a state government which is so weak that it cannot even take on the terrorists in Jammu and
Why?
Kashmir who go, please let me complete, who go on a
Oh,
killing
really?
spree against
Are
sarpanches.
you then insulting the army?
You
Are
have
you
a
then
chief
insulting the
minister.
police?
You have
Are
a
you
chief.
insulting the army who has sacrificed so much to keep to get peace in this country, in this state?
You are
What
not
are you talking
aware of the
about, Mr.
situation in
Goswami?
Assam, Mr. Tanvir Sadiq.
If 1.5 million tourists can come today, it's because of the efforts of the state
This is
government
not
and
your advertisement for the Jammu and
Don't say
Kashmir
that we
government
can
on the
do
news.
anything.
This is a serious issue. Don't milk every massacre for political purposes. Samujjal Bhattacharya responding. Don't milk every massacre for your political purposes. Look at the ground level situation out here. There has been an act of provocation by a Congress party ally. Will you not speak about it because you too are a Congress party ally? Because your alliance with the Congress is more important than you're taking a firm position on the issue? Where is your sense of morals here, sir? Mr. Tanvir Sadiq, Samujjal Bhattacharya responding to you. Samujjal Bhattacharya to Tanvir Sadiq. Go ahead.
Yeah. I'd like to request, I'd like to appeal, and I'd like to warn all the political parties not to play with the bloods of the people of Assam. They should not try to politicalize the issue of Assam, because the ground really is something different. I'd like to clarify one thing, that the issue of Assam is not a communal thing. It's not a clash in between Hindu and Muslim. Some armed group had killed some of the Islam people in the state of Assam. It's not a clash in between the Hindu people and Muslim people. It's not a Hindu-Muslim clash. We should be very clear on that. And all political parties, they should not try to politicalize this issue. Rather, they should try to solve this burning problem of Assam. And it is very clear the Assam Chief Minister, the incompetent Chief
from a
Minister,
particular community have been killed, and you say don't politicize.
communal disturbance in the state of Assam.
Your Prime Minister
and regarding the Modi statement in Bengal, and the Modi statement regarding the illegal foreigners problem in Assam, we can discuss this problem in another day also. It's a vast problem. And we have seen the activities of Congress, BJP and other political parties regarding the solution of the farmers' problem and implementation of Assam Accord. But this present situation is not
Asaduddin Owaisi.
that these people have been
Asaduddin
killed,
Owaisi.
have been massacred. I mean, what kind of politics you people are
Asaduddin
playing?
Owaisi and Prem Shukla.
I feel
At this
really
stage
sorry
of the
for
debate,
India.
I'd like
I
to
have
invite
grown up.
Asaduddin
This is
Owaisi
the
and Prem
politics that you are
Shukla.
nurturing.
My question here is to Asaduddin Owaisi and then to Prem Shukla. Who is responsible more for what has happened in Assam? The Congress-led government, which has been unable to act against its own ally, the BPF, which has been found to be provoking violence. Is the Congress therefore more responsible, Asaduddin Owaisi, Or is Narendra Modi more responsible because of the strident position he took that when and if he comes to power, he will act against illegal infiltrants? I would like to point out that those people who have been killed here are not all illegal infiltrants. There are Muslim settlers. Not all of them are illegal infiltrants, they are Muslim settlers. Asaduddin Owaisi, who's more responsible, and do you support the National Conference when it holds Modi responsible?